Today we're going to do a walk around and test drive on some modern muscle. This is a 2007 Ford Shelby GT500. It's got a 5.4 liter supercharged V8, 6-speed manual, 27,500 original miles, and overall just really nice, clean, well taken care of car. It's got the correct SVT wheels, beautiful interior. And I like these cars on the walk-around test drives because they're easy. There's not a whole lot I have to point out. I just mainly get to drive them fast and then show you how fun they are.
Yeah, rev that thing up once. That supercharger sounds badass,
It does.
dude.
This thing is sweet.
I love the gray racing stripes with the black. That's a pretty good combination, honestly.
It's crazy that these are already 19 years old.
I know.
You know,
This is
really almost 20 years old.
This car was born the same year I was.
Really clean, just stock engine compartment. Everything's as you would imagine on a car like this, but just really nice, clean, well taken care of.
And honestly, 27,000 miles, that's pretty low for being 20 years old.
Absolutely. That's just a little over 1,000 miles a year. Really clean front nose. We actually owned this car a year or so ago and took it back in on trade for a classic car. Excited to have this thing back. I'm hoping to, I know it'll sell too quick for me to actually put some miles on it myself, but it'll be fun to drive. It does have the front license plate bracket, and this is easily removable too. So Gary, previous owner, wanted one, so we had it put on, but they just pull a pin and you can pop that thing out. But depending on your state, it's nice to have a front license plate bracket.
Yeah.
Good color combination. Front nose is nice and clean. Here's a little chip that's been touched up from a bug there. But paint on it's still really nice. Front fender's beautiful, the wheels are in good shape.
I love the choice of rims, dude. Those are sick.
Yeah,
Are those factory or?
I
wonder if
believe so.
those are aftermarket.
Yeah, I need to brush up on my 07 GT500,
Yeah,
but I think those SVT wheels are correct for them. But I think they had a few different styles that you could get.
Makes it nice that I don't have to use a key, just press a button to open the trunk.
Interior's in great shape. The leather looks nice. Still nice and soft and clean. Signed by Carroll Shelby. Center console is excellent. Radio and all that, all the buttons. Most of the time you'll see these buttons like this, especially the hot cold button, faded out. All the lettering and everything on them still look brand new. Back seat's excellent. Headliner's great, no sagging. Just kind of like a new car yet. All the glass is good, nice and straight up and down the sides. Exhaust sounds great. Got a little Shelby bag and car cover, and some Shelby hats. Look at that. Hey, put that on.
Here we go, son.
Should have started the video with that. I feel like
yeah.
I gotta wear one too. Let's see what we can wear here. Ford Racing.
I'll wear the backpack.
I'll wear the Ford Racing one. Now, we are officially ready to finish the walk around and drive this thing.
Yep.
Under the trunk light works.
Feel like a 12-year-old ready to go to school.
Yeah. Back bumper's nice. Up and down the sides really straight. Like I said, not much for me to point out with it. It's super clean, just like new. You can probably expect a minor rock chip or two on the front, but I haven't seen really anything that stuck out to me. Maybe a little rock chip and bug splatter there. Headlights aren't fogged over, those are clean. Now let's get to what everyone wants to see. Let's drive it, shall we, Rye?
Yes, sir.
The door panels look nice. Door jamb paint's excellent. All the rubbers are good. It's been serviced, fresh oil.
I'm just curious to see if you're going to be able to drive this like it should be driven.
I'm ready to go racing. This car's fun. Oh, it's so humid today, my glasses are fogging up. We're ready.
Right.
So it has 27,545.3 miles on the odometer. All your gauges work. Gas gauge is full. Dash lights work, and those are kind of cool too. Like they're like a green.
Yeah.
You got your radio. This is before the. Well, you must be able to Bluetooth somehow because you can connect the phone to it. It looks like.
Aux or something.
Aux. The radio works.
Yeah.
Air works wonderful.
Man, I love the 6-speed. That's awesome.
I do too. Alright. See if this Ford racing hat adds a couple horsepower. Should we?
It's annoying. Oh boy, sounds freaking badass.
And the cool thing with these is like the SVT
Yeah.
in the dash is your shift light.
And then there's a little up arrow too. I noticed when driving it, that tells you when to shift too. Which I've never seen before.
See what we can do with this thing.
You got traction control off. Hey! Oh shoot! Woo! Dang son, get her home.
That's fun. That's why that was with traction control off, but this thing is fucking awesome.
This thing's mean, but you did not do a very good job handling her. I give her handling 3 out of 10, but you did squeal the tires pretty good.
We did. Yeah, that was fun. Traction control's coming back on. This thing gets wicked, man.
You gotta earn that Ford racing hat.
I gotta earn it. I gave her a run for it, but a real Ford racer would have kept her a little straighter than I did there.
Look at that little.
This thing is sweet.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, that's what's fun though with these. Well, these Mustangs are known for being able to get a little squirrely.
They are.
Yeah. Well, that's why they're fun. They just have so much horsepower right to the rear wheel.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, you're not even. Yeah, like it's just chirping the tires. You're not even really freaking trying to get on it.
no, that was just like getting on it a little bit.
Rolling start.
But from taking off that first time, this thing it gets just revs up so fast. That Supercharged, it's wicked. Handling's excellent. Tires and stuff have all been balanced, so you can drive it. You don't have to drive it like I drove it there.
No.
You can just cruise it, but
It's new enough to where you're not going to worry about breaking something.
there's something about when you put the Ford racing hat on.
Yep.
You just want to drive this thing a little while. Drives great. Right now we're stuck behind we're doing a lot slower than what we want to do, but we're stuck behind this whatever truck this is here. It's kind of weird. I've never seen. What are they hauling? That thing.
I don't know.
Shifts so smooth. I love.
Oh, it does.
Like I obviously love the old classics too, but these modern classics is what I'm gonna call them.
Yeah.
Are just so much fun to drive too. 'Cause it's just you feel like you're driving brand new, but yet you can still get into car shows. 20 years. This car's 20 years old.
Oh yeah.
Still low mileage, fun.
And like,
right?
yeah. I mean, the performance-wise, I mean, it's just insane. Oh. Dude, this thing is powerful.
Oh my gosh, Thomas! I think it broke him loose there in 5th gear.
Yeah.
I guess there's 5th. That was 4th. And then
Every
6th
shift
too.
it is fun, dude.
This is so much fun. It's so tight. Tires are great. Front end is awesome. Down to 6th. We'll just cruise right along here at 80 and 2,000 RPM. Downshift to 5th. I love this car. I just wish they had a car seat. Spot for a car seat. That kind of took all my fun car driving away for a few years, but we had some fun with this today. The hats, we will wash them and send them with the car. What an amazing Shelby. Ton of fun to drive. And the hats come with it. Fantastic Shelby. Check it out on the site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.